The OnePlus 13, launched in January 2025, is a standout option for smartphone buyers seeking a blend of cutting-edge technology and value. It features a stunning 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 1440 by 3168 resolution, adaptive refresh rates of up to 120 Hz, and an impressive peak brightness of 4,500 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, it delivers top-tier performance, supported by up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage for seamless multitasking and fast app execution. The 6,000 mAh silicon-carbon battery offers extended usage and supports rapid 100W wired charging, achieving full capacity in 36 minutes, alongside 50W wireless charging for added convenience. Co-engineered with Hasselblad, the OnePlus 13 boasts a versatile triple 50MP camera system with wide, ultra-wide, and periscope telephoto lenses, delivering stunning images across diverse scenarios. Its IP68/IP69 rating ensures dust and water resistance, making it a durable choice for everyday use. Running Android 15 with Oxygen OS 15, the phone guarantees long-term value with a commitment to 4 years of feature updates and 6 years of security patches. Starting at $899 for the 12GB RAM model, the OnePlus 13 offers premium features at a competitive price, solidifying its position as one of the best flagship smartphones of 2025.